Hello. Okay, today I'm going to show you how to integrate your Kumoten account with Shopee V2 integration. Okay, Shopee version 2 API. Okay, first you just log in to your Kumoten account, and then below your username here you choose integration. Or you can go from dashboard, you choose integration. Okay, and then you go to Shopee. Okay, same line with Shopee, and then you will see this one is for all integration. Okay, all API. So this one is the current one, version 2 API. So here means still not connected yet. So you click on the action button. Okay, and then you can see. Okay, for V2 not connected yet. So you just click here to integrate with Shopee V2. Is very easy, right? So if your username not appear here, okay, oh, sorry, okay, okay, we just assume that you just want to integrate. So SG here you choose MY Malaysia, and then your Shopee shop name, okay, and your password. Okay, your Shopee shop name you can see from here. Okay, this is your Shopee app, so this is your shop name, your username. Okay, so after that you just click log in. Okay, so it will send the OTP to your via SMS to your phone. Okay, then you just key in the number that uh sent to your phone. Okay, and then verify. Then you will see here the authorization. You just confirm authorization, and it will do everything for you. Okay, okay, just wait for a while. Authorization success, and then here you go. Your status become connected. Okay, and then what can you do with V2? Okay, there will be some new features. Okay, one of them is you can sync product with the video. Okay, 1 minute video. Okay, this is an example of synced product. So if you view, okay, so you can see it now comes with video. Okay, so let's integrate now.